Assalamu alaikum everyone. I think all are well. Almost 3 years later, I'm gonna making a video for you guys. This video will be how to create an order list and how to create order list in HTML. So I will not let. If you really want to learn HTML, so please subscribe this channel. Okay. So let's go to the main video. First of all, you have to install an app. The app name is trebedit. This app is available in Play Store, so I will open Play Store and search here trebedit. Trebedit. I already installed this app. If you did not install this app, so first of all you have to install and open here. Now you have to select text editor and then you will practice here. Please notice it, when I wrote HTML, then automatically the system wrote HTML close. Then I will write body and the same thing, body close. And now I will write eyes2. It means head. First of all I will write an unordered HTML list. Now I will write unordered list symbol. U means unordered, L means list. I think you understood. The same way I'll write coffee. You can write anything what you want to write. And then secondly, in the same way I'll write tea. And thirdly I'll write milk. We already finished the unordered list, and now I'll write order list. First of all I'll write it. And then UL means order list. Again coffee. Secondly tea. Milk. And now we can see order list close, body close, HTML close. So we are done. So now at this moment you have to save this file. So please click on the three dot. We can see here is save as, and you can create a name. I'll create the file name. Now click on save button. Now the question is where will we find, so you have to click on this icon and here you are. So you can see unordered and order. If this video is helpful for you, so please share and subscribe this channel and do comment. Please do comment. Well, no more today. Thanks for watching everyone.